For my QI project, I discussed how to reduce nurse-to-nurse hostility. This problem was identified by complaints to human resources by nursing staff, a decrease in patient satisfaction, and an increase in nurses who were resigning. Survey cards were given to nurses, found that the overall opinion on the unit is that nurses were rude to each other, were spreading rumors, and lacked teamwork. So the hypothesis is that nurse-to-nurse hostility is leading to decreased productivity and patient satisfaction. Some national comparisons that support this issue is important to the field of nursing and patient care is the 2021 National Patient Safety Goal is to improve staff communication. And the ANA Code of Ethics states that nurses, through individual and collective effort, establishes, maintains, and improves the ethical environment of the work setting and conditions of employment that are conducive to safe, quality health care. So basically, by not working together as a team and creating an environment that is conducive to work and safety, they are violating the ANA Code of Ethics. Some background through some studies, I have found some evidence-based articles. Ineffective conflict management interferes with teamwork. Conflict is inevitable in the workplace. So there are diverse generations and belief systems. So generations have different values, different ways of looking at things, what they may consider to be a good character trait is maybe not something the next generation has. And then the conflict process model is an evidence-based method of conflict resolution whose goal is to minimize or resolve conflict with the least amount of negative outcomes. So this is a evidence-based model that is used for conflict resolution. Next, we'll go through the QI principles and processes relating to this plan to reduce nurse-to-nurse hostility. Each team member of the organization will have a different role. Administration will be in charge of creating policies to reduce inappropriate behavior. Nurse educators will create the education classes for management and the nursing staff. It is important that both of these groups be informed on the conflict resolution model or conflict process model. Managers will model and enforce appropriate behavior, and they will support nursing staff as they attempt to exhibit this behavior as well. And then, of course, the general nursing staff will need to attend classes on conflict management so that they can learn and get the tools they need to improve their behavior. Data collection will be performed through patient satisfaction surveys, chart audits for efficiency, and employee surveys. Some measurable outcomes and indicators are nurse retainment will increase by 25% at 6 months. You'll see an increase in patient satisfaction by 25% in 6 months, and productivity increases by 25% at 6 months. The proposed plan starts by following the quality, by following the model. Need to identify antecedent conditions. What is creating this environment? What behaviors are contributing? What are the things contributing to these behaviors? Then we will construct classes based on the information we found to educate unit leaders and nursing staff. Update policies regarding nurse hostility. Motivate staff to comply with the new changes. Implement rewards programs and offer counseling to those who feel they may need it. Future implications and recommendations. Data from this project can be used as evidence for the collection process model, can be used to evaluate its effectiveness further in the hospital setting. It is already a proven method, and more evidence to support it will contribute to its implementation in the hospital setting. In the future, it would be best to prevent this type of behavior in the first place and to foster an environment of teamwork. Thank you.